Welcome back! This week you learned about natural selection. To give you another demonstration on how natural selection happens, I'm going to do an experiment with M&Ms. To start the experiment, we'll need 10 of each red, blue, yellow, and green M&Ms. We're going to pretend that each color is a different adaptation of the same species. I'm scattering them in a green environment, and I will mimic the process of predators eating them and species reproduction. To start, the predator will eat 10 M&Ms each round. Red is the furthest color from green on the color wheel, so a predator would be able to see red M&Ms more easily and would be more likely to eat them. Since yellow and blue are closer to green, they will be eaten less than red. Each round of this experiment, we'll eat 4 red, 3 blue, and 3 yellow M&Ms. Then, the remaining M&Ms in each color will be paired up, and 1 new M&M will be added for each pair. Let's take away the first round of M&Ms, and you can see what I'm talking about. We can pair up the colors and produce more in the species. In this round, there are 6 red M&Ms left. 6 M&Ms make 3 pairs, so 3 new M&Ms can be added. After doing the same with blue and yellow, the totals to begin round 2 are 9 red, 10 yellow, 10 blue, and 15 green. You can see the red population decreased. The yellow and blue remain the same, and the green population increased. After completing rounds 2, 3, and 4, there are no more red M&Ms. At this point, the predator has to adapt their eating patterns. Instead of eating 4 red and 3 blue and yellow, the predator will have to eat 5 blue and 5 yellow M&Ms. While previously the blue and yellow were being sustained when they were eaten more, their population numbers started to decrease. The green, on the other hand, blends in so well to the environment that their population has thrived. The blue and yellow M&Ms continue to decrease in rounds 5 and 6. And at the beginning of round 7, there are only 3 of each. Now, the predator will have to eat the last blue and yellow M&Ms and adapt their food source again. By this point, either the predator will have adapted better eyesight and will be able to see and prey on the green M&Ms, or they will have to eat an entirely different food source in the environment. This is how natural selection and adaptation occur. They occur over long periods of time, hundreds and thousands of years, when natural selection causes individual traits and adaptations to flourish in certain environments. In the green environment, the green M&M flourishes because of its camouflage, but if we had conducted this experiment in a red environment, the experiment would have had a very different outcome. Therefore, gradual adaptation would occur in each environment. Eventually, the red and green M&Ms would each be their own species and have more detailed and different traits. Hopefully, you are able to understand natural selection a little bit more after going through that experiment with me. What kinds of things can you think of that mimic natural selection in your house?